What does a week look like when you're building the future of banking? That's the question we're answering today. Monzo isn't just a bright pink card, it's a financial platform trusted by millions, and behind every transaction, every feature, and every hot coral glow is a developer. I'm here to give you a genuine look behind the keyboard, a full week in the life of a Monzo engineer. Forget the Silicon Valley cliches, this is about ship cycles, code reviews, and making a real impact. Monday, the rally. The week always kicks off with the stand-up. We're a remote-first team, so this happens over video call. It's a quick, punchy meeting. What did you do yesterday? What are you doing today? Are there any blockers? This isn't just process, it's our engine check. My team is currently focused on improving how our business customers manage tax, a complex but crucial area. Monday afternoon is usually pure focus time, headphones on, diving deep into the code, and laying the groundwork for the week's main project. I'm writing Kotlin for our back-end services, ensuring everything is secure, scalable, and fast. Tuesday and Wednesday, deep work and collaboration. These are our deep work days. At Monzo, we value uninterrupted time. You'll find me wrestling with a specific challenge. Right now, that's integrating a new third-party API for tax reporting. This often means writing a complex sequence of unit and integration tests before writing the final implementation. We practice test-driven development, TDD, which means we break things on purpose to ensure they're unbreakable in production. But it's not all solo coding. I'll spend an hour or two on code reviews. Every line of code that goes into Monzo is reviewed by at least one other engineer. It's a vital quality checkpoint, a way to share knowledge, and a crucial defense against bugs. It's a collaborative art. You give constructive feedback, you receive it, and the code gets better every time. Thursday, the guild and learning. Thursday is about looking outward. We have guilds, which are groups of engineers who share expertise across the company, like the Data Guild or the Platform Guild. I often attend the Security Guild session to keep up with the latest best practices and threats. This is our time for continuous learning and raising the bar for our entire engineering community. In the afternoon, I'm finalizing the feature I worked on earlier in the week. This involves submitting a pull request and ensuring all the automated checks, like linting and security scans, pass with flying colors. If the code reviews come back clean, it's time to merge the changes. Friday, shipping and retrospective. This is the day we see our work go live. Shipping code at Monzo is a smooth process. Thanks to our robust automated deployment pipeline, a simple click rolls the changes out safely, initially to a small percentage of users, and then to everyone. Seeing a feature you built go from an idea to being used by thousands of customers is the most rewarding part of the job. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.